For introducing me. I'm the mysterious tita in Australia.
Hello? Saan tayo?
Gusto ko yung plain na plain, tapos nagbe-video na tayo sa back.
Basta madam.
Ay, madam, kailan ang uwi mo? Kailan uwi mo ng Pinas?
27, madam.
Itong month na to.
Bakit? Ano ba yun?
Hello. Cabin crew din po siya.
Hindi po. Totoo
What can
yun.
you tell people
Ay po
about-
tayo.
What is the essence of being a
What is the essence of being a cabin crew?
Skipping lives.
Handa na po siya dito. She's prepared. Tingnan natin mamaya. Kanina bare siya. Nakatali ang buhok. Ngayon binaba ang buhok. Mamaya baka may foundation eh.
Tanggalin yung jacket ko mamaya.
Tatanggalin niya yung jacket.
Oo. Habang mainit yung tuhod ko.
A pleasant evening, everyone. Today, in 2 hours' time, actually, is our wake-up call for our flight going back to KL. But we still managed to go out. We're going to this hill near the hotel, and yeah, I've been wanting to visit this place for a long time now, and we just made a quick trip here. Dali.
Yung hindi natin sa camera. Yung mama moment.
Dali. Lakad ka dali. Sabi sa inyo eh. Kanina nagtanggal ng pony. Ngayon nag-alis na ng jacket. Dramatic sequence in 3, 2, 1. Tara.
Ayoko na.
1, 2. Oh, emote ka na. 1. Slow mo lang to. Doon ka lang. Sabi sa inyo eh. So, tita, how long have you... Mysterious auntie.
Mysterious nga, pinakikilala mo pa.
So guys, if you've seen a different vlog in let me properly introduce you guys. Miss Normita Zabala, our dear tita here in Gold Coast. Yay!
I'm not mysterious anymore.
Yes, she's properly introduced.
Thank you for introducing me. I'm the mysterious tita in Australia.
Love kaya namin to.
Kahit maganda to.
Oh, diba?
Georgia. Ganun na lang.
So, are we... May ano ba dito? Humpback whale?
Once in a while.
Ito whale, oh. Oh.
Ayun o. Saan? Ay, malunod na sila.
Dun. Pero ang ganda, oh. Tita, may nahulog na pa dito.
Ito pa lang.
Wag! Ang ganda.
Dilo si Kurang. Nalaksing na walang halak.
Nalasing na makakalak.
Walang nilakrak.
They said we can actually cross here, but whatever. What badass. we're badass. So, for the wind is popping again. I think those are humpback whales, or dolphins, or fishes, or sharks. That's Australia, mate. Vegemite. Cheers. See you later. Would have been cool to see whales right now. But anyway, I think it's time to go because the sun's already setting, and we need to head back to the hotel and prepare for the flight. But before that, where is Tita going? I really can't see anything. So it's time to head back to the hotel. I'm actually making a different vlog. I'm actually making 2 vlogs right now, so I'll probably end this vlog right here. I know this is gonna be a short vlog, so thank you guys for watching. I just want to thank you guys for the comments and all, and always remember to smile always, be positive, smile lang tayo lagi, good vibes lang tayo lagi, and comment lang kayo ng comment, put down in the comment section below. Please do like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys, bye.